Welcome back to Sci Recipes. Today, we're making the perfect chocolate cake, moist, delicious, and oh so chocolatey. Let's dive right in. For this recipe, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water. First, combine your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix them together until everything is evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, sugar, milk, oil, and vanilla extract until smooth and well combined. Now, slowly pour your wet ingredients into the dry mix and stir until it's all blended together. It should be smooth and creamy. Next, grease and flour 2 9-inch cake pans. Pour the batter evenly into the pans, and don't forget, this cake is going to rise beautifully in the oven. Pop the cakes in the oven at 350 degrees, 175 degrees, for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Now comes the fun part: frosting. You can use your favorite chocolate frosting, or check out my recipe for homemade chocolate ganache. Spread it generously for that perfect finish. And there you have it, the perfect chocolate cake. Look at how moist and delicious that looks. Time to enjoy this chocolatey masterpiece. Trust me, it's as delicious as it looks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. Happy baking!